Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Logi Sped. If you're a Bulgarian returning from abroad, you have the right to bring your personal belongings into Bulgaria without paying customs duties or VAT. In this video, we'll show you how it works, easily, legally, and safely. Who is eligible for duty-free import? So we're talking about Bulgarian citizens who have lived outside the European Union for at least 12 months. Also, this applies to those returning permanently to Bulgaria. And it's important to mention this is for people who haven't used this exemption in the past 3 years. So what can you actually bring in duty-free when you're moving? Let's talk about that for a moment. You can bring your personal belongings like clothing, shoes, books, and even appliances. Oh, and household furniture and electronics are included as well. You're also allowed to bring a personal car or motorcycle as long as it was officially registered in your name for at least 6 months before you left the country. So what documents are required? Well, you'll need an application to the Bulgarian Customs Agency. And proof of residence abroad, like electricity or gas bills or maybe insurance documents. You'll also need a detailed list of your belongings. If they're packed in boxes, each box should be numbered and described. All right, let's talk about vehicle documents. You'll need the registration and the ownership papers. So you might be wondering, how does the process work? Well, you submit an application to the customs office at your place of residence using your Bulgarian ID card. Then, you just wait a few days for the review and approval. So you receive written approval, basically a permit for duty-free import. After that, you have 6 months from the date of approval to bring in your belongings. It's important to know a few things here. Do not transfer the items to other people. Only personal and self-owned belongings are allowed, just so you're aware. So you should keep all documents for at least 12 months after approval. All associated expenses, like terminal and port fees, unloading, customs brokerage, inspections, and declarations, are your responsibility. Logi-Sped is here for you. Trust us for professional assistance with customs procedures, sea and land transport. Visit us at Logi-Sped.eu and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information in this field at Logi Sped Ltd. Thank you for watching. See you soon and best of luck.